Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Nimeera Weerarathne, one of a speech and language pathologist and a certified NLP practitioner. In addition, I'm a 9+-year-old father, which means we all are in the same basket. When I say time, you must be thinking, yes, I do spend time with my kids. I am at the same home with my kid. I'm at the same room with my kid. So I'm spending enough time with him or her. But is that the time that your kid is wanting from you? Ask it from you again. No. You may be in the same room with your kid, but you may be busy with your phone. Or else you would read the newspaper. Or you would be doing some home assignment. But that is not the time which your kid is asking from you. The time which he wants from you is the time that you spend with him. What is that? Which means if you can go to your kid, if you can sit with him, if you can talk to him, or if you can use a toy to have some fun, that is the time that he or she wants from you. They have endless questions. They have endless stories too. So if you can listen them, if you can respond to them, wow, they would enjoy it. Make it an amazing day. Think and act. Communication is one of the fundamental things that we are dealing with everyday basis. That must be the reason why most of our parents are really concerned about the communication development of our children. I have numerous questions from the new parents that they are asking and wanting to know how many words that a child should speak by the age of 1 year. Yes, I have a very simple answer. If your child is able to speak at least one word by the age of 1 year, yes, you heard correctly. One word at the age of 1 year, that is enough. But if your child's vocabulary is not improving thereafter, yes, you have to consider about it. By the age of 18 months, which means 1.5 years of age, your child's vocabulary should be more than 10 words. And also, the receptive vocabulary should be more than 15 or 20 words. If so, you should not worry about it. If not, yes, that's a high time for you to go to a speech pathologist to get some support. And also, by the age of 2 years, if your child is unable to combine two words together and say, Dada came, all gone, yes, if he's not doing so, you have to worry about it. If so, better go to a speech pathologist and get your child assessed. Early intervention is very important. Okay, so if your child's vocabulary is not enough, and if he's 1 year or 1.5 years, what we can do? Yes, that is the most important thing. One of the things that you can do is talk, talk, and talk. Yes. So if you can spend some time with your kid and talk to him, he will get enough chances to get exposed to the vocabulary. But when you talk, you have to remember there are 4 main S's that you need to incorporate into your speech. The first S is talk slowly. If you speak fast, your child is unable to comprehend you as well as to use it in sentences. So, talk slowly, that is the first S. The second S is stress on the keyword. When you talk to your kid, put some extra stress on the keyword, then it will be easier for your kid to understand it as well as to reuse it in correct context. The third S is show your emotions and show the meaning with pictures and gestures. Then the child will be able to understand it very easily. And the fourth stress and the fourth S is say less. When you speak to your kid in lengthy sentences, he just hears some words. He would not be able to pay some attention to those words. So if possible, try to reduce the length of the sentences. If you can say 2 words maximum, that will be really helpful for your child to understand as well as to say it back. I'll give you an example. Okay, The meal is ready and you want him to invite to the food. You must be saying, "Hey Puta, come here, I made a yummy noodles for you. Come, 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 we are going to eat it. Come sit down." So many words. So rather, you can use it like this. "Aryan, come, sit down, we'll eat it. It's yummy." So it's very easy for your kid to understand as well as to say it back. So don't forget about the voices. Use them when you are talking to your kid. It will be helpful for him to learn the vocabulary as well as to reuse them in sentences.